Hello and welcome everyone to another video from Login Helps. In this tutorial video, we will be showing you how to download the Netflix application both on your PC and on your smartphone. If you have a Netflix plan that allows you to view on multiple devices at the same time, then you can download the Netflix application across multiple devices in order to watch your movies and TV shows. First of all, if you're on your smartphone, you can go ahead and open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. After opening your Play Store or your App Store, just go ahead and type in Netflix in the search box. Once you find the application, just tap on the Install button. Then wait for the installation to complete, and then tap on the Open button. Once you press on Open, you will be asked to log in to your account. Then you can just use your email address and your password to log in to your Netflix account. In order to download the application on your Windows PC, just go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store. Then click on the search box and then type in Netflix and press Enter. Click on the Netflix application and then click Install. Now the Netflix application will begin downloading on your computer. Once the download process is completed, the application will automatically be installed. Then you will get a notification that the application is installed. Click on the Launch button and the Netflix application will open up. Just click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and then you can just enter your email address and your password and click on the Sign In button to log in to your Netflix account. So that is how you can download and use the Netflix application both on your PC and your smartphone. If this video was useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well in order to be notified whenever we post new videos onto our channel. Thank you for watching.